What's up guys, welcome to Products Room. Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen gadgets just to get dinner on the table? Imagine one device that can pressure cook, slow cook, make yogurt, and more, saving you time, space, and effort. Well, Instant Pots are here to revolutionize your kitchen game. In this video, we'll explore the best Instant Pots you can buy right now, from budget-friendly picks to high-tech multitaskers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, there's an Instant Pot for you. Before we start our list, I have a question for you. What's the most important thing you look for in a multi-cooker? Ease of use, features, or price? Let us know in the comments down below. Now, let's dive in and find your perfect match. Let's kick things off with the Instant Pot Rio 6-quart multi-cooker, which is hands down one of the best options for beginners. If you're new to pressure cooking, the Instant Pot Rio 6-quart is a fantastic place to start. Designed with beginners in mind, it's simple, efficient, and packed with thoughtful features. Our reviewer tested this model with her favorite recipes and was impressed by its performance. She especially loved the lighter weight, saying it worked just as well, if not better, than older Instant Pot models. This makes it not only easy to handle but also convenient to store when you're not using it. The Instant Pot Rio offers 7 different cooking functions, so you can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, saute, and more, all with one device. And if you're a little nervous about pressure cooking, this model has a few upgrades to put you at ease. The steam release button is further from the valve, making it feel safer, and the new progress bar on the control panel keeps you informed about where you are in the cooking process. Plus, the matte black finish and slim design give it a sleek modern look. With 13 customizable smart programs, you can whip up everything from ribs to yogurt with just the touch of a button. Cleanup is quick too, thanks to the fingerprint-resistant sides and dishwasher-safe parts. And let's not forget about the Instant Brands Connect app, where you'll find tons of recipes to inspire your next meal. Whether you're cooking for your family or meal prepping for the week, the Instant Pot Rio makes it simple, stress-free, and even fun. Next up is the Instant Pot Duo Mini 3-quart pressure cooker, the perfect choice for small spaces or solo cooks. If you're short on space but still want all the perks of an Instant Pot, the Duo Mini 3-quart is the perfect fit. Don't let its small size fool you. This mini powerhouse delivers big results. Unlike most compact appliances that compromise on features, the Duo Mini packs in the same functionality as its larger siblings. It's easy to use, with a simple display and intuitive controls, and it still includes the robust safety features Instant Pot is known for. During testing, this little unit proved its worth. It was the best at adding vibrant color to vegetables in the beans and rice test, and the beans were perfectly cooked, not mushy at all. When it came to searing, the Duo Mini impressed again, giving pork a beautiful caramelization while keeping it tender and springy. It's incredibly versatile, with 7 functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, and yogurt making. Plus, the 13 smart programs let you whip up everything from soups to desserts with just a touch. The compact 3-quart size is ideal for singles, couples, or preparing side dishes. While it won't hold a Thanksgiving turkey carcass, it's perfect for making a smaller batch of stock from a rotisserie chicken. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to fingerprint-resistant sides and dishwasher-safe parts. Whether you're tight on storage or just need something for smaller meals, the Duo Mini proves that great things really do come in small packages. Coming up next, we have Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is a dream come true for avid home cooks who love precision and versatility. This model stands out with 5 programmable settings for your favorite recipes and 28 customizable programs for cooking everything from chicken to pasta. Its functionality includes pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, sous vide, and even making yogurt and baking. The diffuser on the steam release keeps things quieter and cleaner, while the inner pots stay cool. Silicone handles make it easy to move or drain. The cooking pot is also stovetop safe, adding to its usability. The intuitive display panel is a highlight, clearly showing preheating and warming status while making controls a breeze to navigate. If you're in a hurry, the optional quick cool tray, sold separately, helps reduce pressure faster. While the 6-quart size is perfect for most households, the 8-quart model offers more space, especially useful for sous vide cooking. Though it didn't brown meat as well as some models, it cooked green beans to perfection. Clear instructions help you set up the machine quickly and explain each preset's exact temperature and time, making it highly user-friendly. With its thoughtful features and performance, the Instant Pot Pro transforms meal prep into a seamless experience. Next up, we've got the Instant Pot Pro Crisp and Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp and Air Fryer is a game changer for anyone wanting maximum versatility in the kitchen. With 11 functions, this appliance replaces multiple gadgets, acting as a pressure cooker, air fryer, sous vide, steamer, roaster, and more. Its dual lid design allows you to switch effortlessly between pressure cooking and air frying. The Even Crisp air fryer lid delivers crispy, golden results with up to 95% less oil. The clear display and time bar let you track progress easily, while the inner pot's secure handles ensure stability during sautéing. With customizable air fryer settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it excels at frying while still performing beautifully across its other functions. Cleaning is hassle-free too, with the parts being dishwasher safe. Its 8-quart capacity is perfect for families or meal prepping, especially for larger dishes like bone broth or soups. While it's on the pricier side, this model consolidates numerous kitchen appliances, saving space and money in the long run. From baking to dehydrating, it's a reliable tool that delivers consistent results, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced cooks alike. The next product on our list is Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart Pressure Cooker. For those who love tech-savvy gadgets, the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart Pressure Cooker is the ultimate modern appliance. With app connectivity, this model lets you control cooking remotely via the Instant Brands Connect app. Choose from over 800 smart recipes, and the app will guide you through each step, from sautéing to steam release. You can even program quick or delayed pressure releases for added convenience. Its sleek touchscreen is both high-tech and user-friendly, while the inner pot's aluminum core ensures even heating and excellent searing. Plus, the pot is stovetop and oven-safe, making it highly versatile. The cooking time bar, visible both on the appliance and the app, keeps you informed throughout the process. While we found the pre-programmed times for rice and beans could lead to overcooking, a little adjustment resolves this issue. This 10-in-1 cooker handles everything from pressure cooking and slow cooking to sous vide and yogurt making. It's perfect for busy individuals who want a set-it-and-forget-it experience, allowing them to return home to a perfectly cooked meal. If you value convenience, smart features, and top-notch cooking performance, this Instant Pot is well worth the investment. Coming up next is our best budget pick, Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. If you're looking for an Instant Pot that's budget-friendly without sacrificing functionality, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker has you covered. This classic model put Instant Pot on the map with its ability to handle a wide range of tasks. It replaces 7 kitchen appliances, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. With 13 built-in smart programs, you can easily cook soups, beans, poultry, rice, or even yogurt with just a button press. Its stainless steel inner pot ensures quick and even heating, and cleanup is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher-safe components. What stands out about this model is its simplicity and versatility. You can choose between 2 pressure levels, 3 sauté temperatures, and 3 slow cook settings, giving you a lot of flexibility in the kitchen. Plus, the ability to delay cooking for up to 24 hours or manually set it for up to 2 hours adds even more convenience. While it may lack some of the advanced features of newer models, like air frying or sous vide, it's still a reliable performer. The yogurt function is a highlight, consistently reaching the perfect temperature without extra effort. For families or meal preppers, its 6-quart capacity is just right. And with safety features like overheat protection and a locking lid, it's designed to give you peace of mind. Overall, this is a solid, high-quality choice for anyone wanting to streamline their cooking without overspending. And now for the best overall pick, we have the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart Electric Pressure Cooker is a standout for its performance, versatility, and ease of use, making it our best overall pick. This 9-in-1 powerhouse replaces multiple appliances, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sous vide machine, yogurt maker, sterilizer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Its intuitive controls and large LCD display guide you through cooking with step-by-step instructions and a progress bar, making it beginner-friendly yet feature-packed. What really makes this model shine is its 25 customizable smart programs. You can easily whip up dishes like ribs, soups, beans, poultry, desserts, and more with just one touch. The stainless steel inner pot, designed with a tri-ply bottom, ensures even heat distribution and stays locked in place for perfect sautéing. Whether you're pressure cooking to save time or slow cooking for rich, comforting flavors, this Instant Pot delivers exceptional results. The meat comes out tender, beans are perfectly cooked, and veggies brown evenly, all without burning. This model is also super quiet, with a whisper-quiet steam release, and its dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. While it's on the pricier side, its superior functionality and thoughtful design justify the investment. With an 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for large families, meal prep, or entertaining. If you want a multifunctional kitchen tool that does it all, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is worth every penny. And there you have it, our top picks for the best Instant Pots out there. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or just looking for a way to simplify weeknight dinners, there's an Instant Pot on this list for everyone. But now we want to hear from you. Which of these multi-cookers caught your eye? Do you already have a favorite Instant Pot recipe? Or are you excited to try something new? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and kitchen tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time, happy cooking!